Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can debug your Flutter app without USB cable. So before starting our video, be sure to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to receive notification of our upcoming videos. So in this video we are going to use ADB to connect with our mobile device without a USB cable. Initially we need a USB cable, but once the connection is made, we don't need USB cable. So first of all, we have to enable wireless debugging on our Android device. So let's see how we can do that. Go to settings, scroll down, go to developer options, and I'm sure that USB debugging is enabled in your device. So if you scroll down, you can see the option of wireless debugging. Just two steps, or just after two tiles after USB debugging, there is wireless debugging. Enable this, and here we have a warning like allow wireless debugging on this network, and here is my Wi-Fi network. So to make wireless debugging possible, the host PC and the target Android mobile must be connected in same network. As you can see here, my current Wi-Fi network is Neptec Private Limited 5G, and here it is Neptec Private Limited. So it's the same Wi-Fi. I believe it works. I click on allow. Now we have to connect to this device by ADB. So the ADB tools comes with the Android Studio. So let's do that, or let's set it up. For this, go to C drive, or generally the Android Studio is installed in C drive, so it must be applicable for most of us. So go to C drive, click on users. Now click on your username. For me it's SP, and now click on, scroll down and click on app data. It might be hidden, so if it is hidden, make sure that you have enabled show hidden items. Under this view section, you can enable and disable this. If I have disabled this, then you may not be able to see that app data folder. So make sure that hidden items is enabled, and it is same for Windows 10 and 11, just the interface is different. Now click on app data, click on local, and here you have to select Android, and after this SDK. Now you can see the options for platform tools. Click there, and here you can see the tools installed here, and the tool we are going to deal with is ADB. So let's confirm that ADB command works for us, otherwise ADB command will not work. So let me show it quickly. I'm going to open my command prompt, and if I say enter ADB version, then we are seeing this ADB is not recognized as an internal or external command. This is shown because we haven't added this ADB's path in the system environment variable. So let's check it here. So let me open a command prompt in the current path. So for this, click on this bar and enter CMD, and now you can check ADB version. As you can see here, Android Debug Bridge ADB version 1.0.41 and installed as this location. So this works only in this location, that is C/users SP app data local and this. So to make it work everywhere, we have to add this path in the system environment variables. So let's just copy this path. Wait. This path, okay. this one. I have just copied this path. Now go search for environment variable, and you will see the option to edit the system environment variables. Open it and go to environment variables. Now go to path, click on it and click on edit, and now click on new and just paste the path that we have copied previously, that is this one. Now click on OK, OK, OK. So let's open a new command prompt window and check either it works or not. Okay, adb version, and now you can see Android Debug Bridge version 1.0.41. So we have successfully set up the environment. Now I have basic Flutter app up and running in my device. Actually it is not running and here is my mobile device. So if you see over here, currently there are 4 devices connected. So let's check those devices. That is my phone connected with the USB, and these are the browser, and this is the Windows desktop that I am currently working on. So to enable wireless debugging, we need to connect with this phone via a network. So to connect, we need the IP address and a port number. So you can get that IP address and port number from this wireless debugging. Just click on this wireless debugging option and you will see the IP address, that is 192.168.18.7.37193. So the part after the colon is the port number and this one is the IP address. So we have to connect with this IP address. Okay, so for this just open the command terminal anywhere. Okay, you can open in the project or anywhere, as we have set up environment variables, so adb command will everywhere. So to see the listed device, we have to enter the command adb devices. Okay, it doesn't work here, so we can, let's create a command prompt here and let's try it over here. Okay, adb devices. Okay, it is not working here. We can do this on command prompt. Okay, adb, let's go with version first and it worked. Adb devices, and as you can see here is my device code rz8r, and if you have correct enabled USB debugging and connected your device with the USB cable, then you will be able to see this. And now we have to connect with this device, so we have to enter adb connect and this command. So let's press enter. Okay, sorry, we don't have to do this, so just we need IP address and the port number from here. Just enter adb connect 192.168.18.7:37193. Just hit enter now. Okay, now you can see connected to 192.168. yeah, and in the Android phone also you can see wireless debugging connected. Now if we check the devices here in our Flutter project, there must be 5 devices now. As you can see here, there are 5 devices, and here you can see this one is connected with the USB cable and here you can see the same device with this IP address. So I can plug out my cable, select this device. Okay, now this device is selected, and now I can plug out the device and run the app. So let me show you. Let's run this. And I would like to show that I have plugged out my device. As you can see here, there are now 4 devices, 1 2 3 4, and the app is running. So guys, how's this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps on here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.